Amidst massive protests against Ireland's abortion laws that led to the death of Indian dentist Savita Halappanavar, the Irish Prime Minister Enda Kenny has insisted that he will not take a rushed decision on abortion. This despite the growing pressure on the Irish government to answer many questions posed to them by activists on the country's tough abortion laws that have once again come to the fore after Savita's death. Let's listen in.
I did Irish society now for a great number of years, and I'm not going to be rushed into a situation by force of movers on any side. This is something that has to be treated rationally and openly and truthfully, and that's what will happen.
Well, remember, there have been 5 referendums in Ireland on the issue of abortion. Ireland, which is a largely Catholic country, has very strict laws regarding abortion. It is pro-life, as a matter of fact, and that tragically led to the death of Savita Halappanavar, who was 17 weeks pregnant and was going through a miscarriage when the doctors in an Irish Catholic hospital refused to abort her child in order to save her life. Savita, as a result, contracted septicemia, that is blood poisoning, and tragically succumbed. That tragic incident has sparked off a debate all over the world, including Ireland, which is now divided on this issue. Let me go across to Lavina Tendon, who joins us on the phone line. Lavina, the clear divide is visible from the fact that the Deputy Prime Minister yesterday said that there needs to be a relook at the laws, the abortion laws, and despite the global outcry for Ireland to take a look at its laws, the Prime Minister is saying that he will not be rushed into taking a decision.
Yes, see, there's a very strong lobby here, a very, very strong influence of Catholic Church, and England has been ruled. Ireland has been ruled by Catholic Church. It's a part of the Constitution. The abortion law is a part of the Constitution, so it's not a very, very difficult, easy thing to get rid of. And the campaigners, initially, I have been speaking to various people, including taxi drivers and people who are, associated with this for so long, and they've been saying that initially, when they used to raise their voice, people used to, spit at them, they used to ridicule them. But now, at least, Ireland has reached a stage where the campaigners have gone out and about and completely outright going against it, and people can congratulate them. So it has come a long way, but it has a long way to go as well. Because the lobby against it is very strong and very intrinsic into the Constitution and the way of life that has been since the inception of Ireland. So it's a very difficult thing, and at this point in time as well, what one is looking at is not complete right to abortion for anyone. It is just a clarity in the legislation where the women have access and they are allowed for abortion if they are sick and if the risk of suicide is there. So Prime Minister is saying that he's going to run the report through the cabinet and then take some decision, and it will be looked at, and the decision will not. The no action is no option. It's a very big thing for a country that has not even sort of looked at it for 20 years, and 7 governments have come close to looking at it, but have retraced their steps. It's a big step that this case has made them, forced them to do and take.
Right, there is a lot of international pressure, Lavina, for the Irish government to act on this particular tragic incident. Tell us about what the mood like is within Ireland. We understand that this tragic incident has once again sparked the whole debate on pro-life and pro-choice. Activists are planning various rallies. What's the scene for today?
Well, today is a very big day. In Dublin itself, there's a very big vigil, which is going to be late in the afternoon from 4 o'clock onwards. And I have been attending conferences yesterday where campaigners have been urging the people to join this. And I heard a speaker saying that even the people for whom just going to a tea party or a card party was the highest thing to do, they are coming across and joining. So more than 10,000 people will be joining just in Dublin. Then there is another vigil happening in Galway, And similarly, earlier also, a lot of these people have been spontaneously coming and in their own way, just showing their protest. The government has put in a thing of asking people to write in with their opinion. And earlier people would have their divided opinion, but now the lobby is predominant, where people are saying, how can we allow a person to come here and from another country and her rights be violated so much? So in short, the mood is extremely vibrant. The people who are pro-abortion, which you say pro-choice, are very much in the forefront, and today is a very big day for them, and a lot of people will be on the road voicing their right to abortion, at least clarity in legislation. So it's a big day, vibrant day.